Welcome to another tutorial from Dbook, your event management and QR code ticketing platform. Okay, so looks nice and clean. We'll just create our first new event. Make sure you follow these guidelines. Let's create event. After creating the event, and this is what you will see. You can upload your poster, change the name, add event timings. This is where you can change it to slots. We'll go into it in a little bit. We upload our poster. We'll see what's in the menu. We have ticket layout, custom design, category pricing, custom fields, and all these. First, we'll take a look at ticket layout, and this is the ticket will look like the standard ticket. So this is automatically saved. Custom design. This is when you want to upload your own custom ticket design. Now that we have created an event and selected the ticket, we want to see how that event page looks like. View event, but this is how it will look like. This is not what we want. This is by default that all events are in private. So what we do, go to event settings, user registration, we need to enable it, and then go to view event. Here, this is your event page. So this is enabled to register. We'll register. This is how a ticket will look like, and this is the design that we have selected previously. So now we will see what additional features the Dbook has to offer. We have custom ticket. You have to enable it to upload your own ticket design. And then custom fields. Remember, in this page, when you ask the user to register, we have only these three options. But now, if you want to add more fields such as government ID, roll number, any other field that you want to add, where you want to collect the information from the user, you have to enable this field. So now WhatsApp Ticket Pro, we have two types of WhatsApp ticket templates. By default, the ticket will go like this, and the Pro ticket will have a poster and have a lot of other information. And the ticket will look like this. If you're enabling WhatsApp Ticket Pro, make sure you have the poster uploaded. If you don't have the poster, this will not work. It will resort to your default ticket. And we also have a way to track. For example, if you send 100 tickets to your 100 guests and you want to see who opened and if any failed and all that info, which is available, but it is not by default, you have to enable it. So it will cost 1 additional credit for each ticket. For example, if you send 100 tickets on WhatsApp, that's 100 credits without tracking. But if you want the tracking for all those 100 tickets, then it's an additional 1 credit for each ticket, which comes up to 200 credits for all tickets. This is important. Let's say you did not enable this for the first 50 tickets, and then you enable this after the 50 tickets. The first 50 tickets, the tracking will not be available. This is on demand, which means it will only be available for the tickets which were sent when the tracking is enabled. Similarly, email track. We can track email open, bounce in the sense that did not go through. Read, click, all this information you can also achieve by enabling this field. Once the ticket is sent, it will stay in our system for a default of 30 days from the event ends. Whatever tickets you sent, downloaded, or generated in our platform, by default, the ticket will be saved for 30 days from the day event ends. If you want to change the behavior and select 60 days, there will be an additional 1 credit. But if you want to store the data in our system for 90 days, it's 2 credits. Ticket locking is a new feature we have introduced in this version of Dbook. When this is enabled, the guest can scan the QR code ticket by downloading our app and log the ticket, which means even if the QR code is shared with somebody else, it will not be valid. The only way the QR is validated when a new QR code is generated on the same exact mobile phone of the original guest. Let's see how to generate the tickets. You can do it in 5 ways. 1. Download at bulk. 2. Send the tickets by WhatsApp. 3. Send it by email. 4. Send it at bulk with CSV upload. This you can choose email, WhatsApp, or both. 5. By enabling the registration page and allowing the guests to register themselves, like we have seen previously. In our previous version, the ticket downloads and bulk tickets were generated from the browser, which means if you lost internet connection or lost power or network switches, the process would have been stopped. But now, the whole process will run on our server and you don't have to keep the page open, which means you can come back later and check the process. Let's see it in action. Here you can choose different methods: email, WhatsApp, email and WhatsApp, or download only. First, we'll do by email. Send the ticket. It will cost you 1 credit. Hit send. Done. The ticket has been sent to the user. We'll send it by WhatsApp. Similar process. You heard that, right? So that's the email that I have gotten. So if you want to send email and WhatsApp, make sure you have these both fields filled. And similarly, you can also send tickets in bulk. All you have to do is generate a CSV file of your contact list. So the CSV file has to match exactly the headers of the sample. So download the sample and check the headers, or just copy and paste the headers and upload the file here. Choose the type of delivery method and hit upload. And that's it, good to go. See how to download the tickets. This ticket library is optional, but I want to show you how the ticket will look like with the ticket label. Early bird. Okay, now we'll generate the tickets. It will cost me 20 credits. Yes. Oh, there you go. Credit is not sufficient, so I have to purchase credits. It has to be at least 100, minimum of 100 credits. Okay, I have loaded my credits, so now we'll go back to the page and we will just generate the tickets. Hit yes. Okay, see, now it's processing. There you go. Just wait. All tickets generated. Hit OK. If you want to download, you can just go to that page. But first, I will show you. We'll just do 100 tickets, for example. Hit generate. Yes. Okay, it's downloading. I'll just go back, reload the page. It will still say pending. So this is the thing, is the process is happening in the server. So you don't have to be on this page. You can also close this page, no problem. Meanwhile, we'll just go to this page. Click on download. This is a one-time link. Hit yes. Because first already we generated 3 tickets and then we generated 20, so that's 4. And you can also download all tickets. When you download all tickets, it will be downloaded in a zip file of each of these tickets. Just download. It's downloaded, and here are my tickets. It's the name and then 4, 5, according to the serial. We'll just go back to downloads. See, now this 100 is ready. You can just go to downloads again and it will give you the link. So if you wanted to re-download the ticket from 2 to, for example, 10, you can use this option to re-download. So now the ticket's printed from serial number 2 till 10. You can just re-download any number of times. So CSV is similar to how we discussed in send tickets. This one, you download the sample, make sure the headers are same, and then you upload, and then boom, then that's it. We'll just go to ticket status. In the ticket status, you will see all the tickets that we have generated and the type of generated. So these are all downloads. Click on next. Go to next. See, the first one, we have used the registration method. The second ticket, we have sent an email. And from third onwards, we were downloading. So 1A is 1 adult, 0 children, 3 adults, 0 children. This is pretty much self-explanatory. And this you can see on which date and when the ticket was issued. Take a look. See this email, it doesn't have any tracking ability. So what you do is just go back, additional features. We have to enable the tracking. So now we'll send another ticket. I'll send the ticket. See, now it says 2 credits because we have the tracking enabled. Hit yes. Ticket has been sent. You will hear my phone going boop. There you go. Okay, we'll go to ticket status. The very first ticket, see, now it says delivery. That means it's been delivered, but I did not see the ticket yet. Okay, I opened the email on my phone. We'll just reload this page. See, now it says open. And then I will click the view ticket. There is a view ticket button in the email. So I will just click the view ticket where I can see the ticket on my phone. I'll just reload the page. See, now it says click. See, all these 3 are trackable. Similarly with WhatsApp. And if it says bounce, that means the email has been failed. The email did not go through. We have seen the ticket status. Now we see reports. So the reports has been built, and it'll take some time to get built. Usually it updates every half hour. So total 124 tickets, and there are 248 adults, 0 children. Pretty straightforward. There is not much to discuss here. We will move on to pick lottery. There are times when you want to pick lottery and maybe you want to give away gifts for the first 10 winners. So we'll do like first 10 winners. The lottery, yes. And the serial number 65 has one. We'll do second one, 72 has one. So that's the process. And you can pick a maximum of 10 winners. Okay, here's the section I want to discuss. Here, this is the managers. Let's say you have 5 entrances. You don't want to share your credentials with all those 5 managers so that they can scan the guests. So what you do is you provide an alternate way of login. In the app, there is a way to log in as a manager. You just click the button and scan the QR code, and they will log in and they can scan the QR code. So this way, your account is safe and they won't be able to see the data or issue tickets. We don't have any manager access. We have to create the access, which is 100 credits per manager. Okay, now that we have one manager available, they did not sign up yet. So when they scan this QR code, they'll be automatically logged in, and this will show up as like one by one, and you will see how many devices that are actually logged in here. And if you have more, if you want to get more, so it's each time it's 100 credits per manager, and you can add up to 10 managers per event. I think it's more than sufficient. In event settings, we'll come back to this later. Here you can also reset attendance, which means you can delete all the tickets that you have generated so far and redo the serial back to 1. Do reset. Yes. So this process is happening in the background. That means in the server, which means it will take maybe like 5 to 10 seconds to delete all the records. We'll just go to ticket status. It's still deleting. That's why you still see. I'll just reload this page. So it's clean. So when you reset the counter, depending on how many tickets that you have generated, you may have to wait for a little bit so that everything will go clear. I have created an event, updated the description in terms and conditions. Terms and conditions are mandatory for paid event. It should include the payment conditions such as refundable, non-refundable, point of contact, any other legal language that you want to include. Go to the KYC. Make sure the KYC is completed and verified. Once all documents are uploaded, under 24 hours, you will get the verification if all checks out. We might also do a video eKYC. Now go to category and pricing. This is important. Once you add the category and price associated with it, you can only disable it, but you cannot delete it. Yes. So the gold is enabled. I have added 3 categories. Now go ahead and enable the event for sales. After going to the event settings, usually you will see a button to verify. Once it's verified, you will see something like enabled, and make sure the user registration is also enabled. Go to the view event, and this is your event. See, now it says book tickets. This is how it will look like. Terms and conditions, artist. Go to book tickets. I have all my information. Now go ahead and purchase. So the user has to verify their email ID. So this way, whenever we send the ticket, we make sure that it goes to the person's email ID. Now we'll go to purchase. And they will see the ticket here. They will get an email with the ticket, and they will also get a WhatsApp with the ticket. Let's say if we want to enable the convenience fee, we'll enable the convenience fee. This is my event. Go to book tickets, select it. See, now the customer is shown the fees. See, now the customer will pay this amount. Purchase 1235.4, so to pay. Payment successful. This is their ticket.